dry now. You must be freezing.
Let's get you cozy in the futon. I'm warm now.
It's a family recipe. Just make sure to stir it slowly like this. The flavors. It smells.
I realized I was wearing my slippers to the wedding. This food is wonderful, Mom.
Can I have some? Dakimasu!
The great beast appeared from the shadows, its eyes glowing brighter than the lantern light. But the hero did not run. To just sit and listen to the rain.
Yes, the sound is so calming tonight. And the tea warms you right up. I think this is my favorite part of the day. Mine too. The children are so peaceful tonight.
Oh, look at that! We did it! It's huge! Sleep well, my darlings.
Good night. Tight, my love.
See you in the morning. Oh, it's warm!
We're home!
Missed you so much, my dear. Come inside now.
Grandma!
Look at this big guy. Welcome.
home. You must be soaked from the rain.
Come on in. We have hot tea ready for you.
Oh, look at the trees rushing by. It's so beautiful in the rain.
It really is magical, isn't it?